Oh, hey there, folks. Ah, boy. Looks sad, doesn't it? Well, me and Junior got the bumper off yesterday. A little struggle, considering we didn't know what we were doing. But we saw it. We figured it out. And the bumper is right here. Look at that. Sad shape. Sad shape. I tried scraping most of this stuff off. Tried to scrape most of it off. But now it's time to hit the sander. Also, right under there is an opening, but they had this cover on it. Let me put this flashlight down. They had this cover on there. I'm thinking to myself, well, wait a minute. They had this opening here in the center to allow air into your to the radiator and to the coolers. Yeah. So I don't know, why would they cover this? But then again, I'm thinking, okay, I'll make it look a little bit cooler. But thanks to whoever painted this bumper, they left these on. So, as you can tell, there's a outline of the opening. So I was thinking maybe I can just cut over there, down and around, both of them, and put a mesh there, and then attach it back to the car, to the bumper car. Huh, bumper. At least that's what I was thinking. Well, something to think about. But in the meantime, I gotta start working on this bumper, or cover, whatever you want to call it. Gotta sand it down. I guess whoever did this before used the wrong Bondo, or he probably did use Bondo, but he didn't use the other one out there that was a little flexible. Because this is plastic, as you can see. It is flexible. Okay, folks. Be right back. Alright, just a little progress here. I got this part down here smooth. Alright. This part here is also smooth. And not so smooth. This, I don't know. That's what it looked like, folks. But, a little rough. Apparently they knew what they were doing. Just the guy kind of went just a little bit overboard on the filler. Yeah, but I'm not worrying about it. I'll do the right thing. I put primer on it, then I put etch primer on it. But first I put some kind of adhesion promoter on this, clean it all out, and smooth this out even better. And then I put a real thin skim coat. This is not a thin skim coat. Nah, not if it was flaking and breaking off like that. But anyway, just a little progress here, just to show you what it's how it's coming out. Don't do as I do, folks. Play with this too long. As you can see, it's already hardening. I'm using old stuff. That's my problem, not yours. I'm just putting a small thin layer on here. Nothing thick. Just gonna have to wait for it to harden up a little bit, and then I can start sanding it down a little bit more. You know, the boys up in Canada started making videos again.
Oh, really?
Oh yeah, new camera, new intro.
Hmm.
I'm jealous. I'm jealous.
I didn't see no new videos coming out.
Yeah, came out this morning.
That's probably why I didn't see it.
Well, it came out a while, but I didn't get a chance. But I saw that this morning. Oh, there it is, folks. Filled in the hole cracks. I'll have to just wait till it dries, and then I'll be able to sand it down, smooth it out, pour the primer. Problem is trying to get the paint to match. That's no problem. I just don't feel like paying the damn dealers. Okay. Get back to you when it gets hardened. So it begins. And so it begins.